Hola, estudiantes, and welcome to our Spanish at a Glance series. Today, we're diving into some must-know Spanish greetings. We'll cover how to say hello, goodbye, and even how to ask how someone is doing and how that person can respond. Let's start with our basic Hola for hello or hi. Easy enough. Now, let's add a little more. If you meet someone and you want to ask how that person is doing, you can say, ¿Cómo estás? If you're being informal. Or, ¿Cómo está usted? If you want to be more formal. To respond, you can say, Estoy bien, gracias, meaning, I'm fine, thank you. Or if you're feeling great, you can say, muy bien, very well. And if you want to return the question, just add, ¿y tú? Or, ¿y usted? To ask, and you? Now let's throw in a couple more greetings for different times of the day. We have buenos días, for good morning. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. And buenas noches, good evening or good night, depending on the context. You can use these to sound more natural depending on the time of day. When it's time to say goodbye, besides adios, you can say hasta luego, see you later, nos vemos, see you, and even hasta mañana, if you'll see someone tomorrow. So there you have it. With these greetings and responses, you're all set to start any conversation in Spanish. Practice a few times, and you'll be greeting people with confidence. Gracias! And hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to keep watching Spanish at a Glance. Look for these topics and more coming soon. Hasta luego.